Antoine Stoudemire.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhead, Your Honor.
Defense?
Carl Basil, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Stoudemire?
I am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
And did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
I did.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. 2 counts. See,
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand in each count you're charged with criminal mischief, 2,500 to 30,000?
I did. Yes,
That's
ma'am.
state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
No.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication in each of these counts, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, and each count the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
My opinion is she is, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
Okay.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is recommending deferred adjudication and restitution to be determined. Did you understand that to be the plea?
That is. Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
That is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to count one, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
Count two, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
This is another one with all its attached.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. Reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of the client?
Your Honor, I just like the court to follow the plea bargain. In addition, I think if possible, I know the court's been informed earlier that my client's granddaughter was died under suspicious circumstances, and they're still investigating that.
All right, everyone, please whisper.
So if any type of counseling or thing could be provided to her, I think it would be very helpful to her to help her deal with that. I think they're still waiting to see if there's going to be any criminal charges on that yet.
All right. All right, count 1 and count 2. will run concurrently. Court will sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Valerie Pena, Pena, and Pierre Johnson. There's to be restitution, if any, to Pierre Johnson and Valerie Pena. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
The mother of the child that passed, she's 17. She graduated Friday.
All right. And so you have one child?
I have 3, but minor.
Okay. And how old are the other children?
Jacario is 29, Princess is 19, and again, Unique is 17.
Okay. And then I'm going to order anger management. And once anger management is completed, I'll find that the community service hours are deemed to be satisfied. Probation, do y'all have any type of grief counseling or trauma counseling? All right, so we'll do grief trauma counseling. And honestly, if there are pending charges related to the death of our grandchild, usually the state will provide something for that as well.
I don't think there is at this time. They're still investigating for what
Okay.
she's told me.
All right, there's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. Are you employed?
Yeah.
All right, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am, I just want to say my attorney's office.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, and then we'll set this for a restitution hearing. Norma, set this for a restitution hearing. We'll set it for December 2nd. That should give everybody plenty of opportunity to have whatever case law they need.
I don't think it's probably the case law anyway. It's just whether it was paid or not.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's really what it comes down to.
All right. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When somebody moves on with somebody else, whether you think it's fair or not, you got to let it go. And I always tell women who come in, I don't know why women fight with other women over a guy, because honestly, should that woman recognize that marriages are hard and they don't need outside people interfering? Yes, but they don't. And at the end of the day, even if it's a guy who's upset, don't get upset at that guy. Don't get upset at that woman who's entering into the marriage. You know why? Because they owe you zero loyalty, because that's not the person you have loyalty to. And at the end of the day, if a significant other leaves you for somebody else, you need to thank that other person, because that is now their problem. But good luck to you, okay?